Welcome back. Still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC-TV18. Let's go straight to Meghmani Organics. As promised, the company's subsidiary has forayed into nano-urea manufacturing through a tie-up with a domestic fertilizer manufacturer. Meghmani Organics will invest 150 crore rupees for setting up a nano-urea liquid fertilizer plant in Gujarat. To discuss this along with Capex plans and the outlook for the second half of the year, G.S.Chahal, the CFO of the company, is joining us now. Mr. Chahal, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us, and season's greetings to you and everyone at the company. Well, it's an interesting foray that you've made, because recently we spoke to Fertilizer Secretary and he did speak about the potential or the opportunity that India is seeing as far as nano-urea is concerned. So couple of things. You're investing 150 crore rupees. This is via a licensing agreement. What is the contract like between these two companies, your company and the fertilizer company? If you can give us details as to which company this is, and will you be sharing or any revenue here, or will you be paying any commission because you are using their technology?
Yeah, good afternoon, Sonal, and thanks for the invitation. And we are very happy to announce today that we have entered into a licensing agreement with the leading manufacturer of the fertilizer in India. And this is a patented technology which we will be supported by, and we are putting up this plant. As you know, in India, you are fully aware that we are net importer as far as fertilizers are concerned. So this is a vast opportunity which is there, and we will be starting this plant in the 12 months period. As far as arrangement is concerned, so we will be provided all the basic engineering and process technology for manufacturing of this plant. We have created a wholly owned subsidiary, Meghmani Crop Nutrition Limited, under which we will be manufacturing this plant, and this is in Sanand in Gujarat. And this is a new subsidiary, so it will get income tax advantage also for the lower rate. And because we will be completing this project within 12 months period and before 31st March 24, so we'll be getting that advantage also.
You're doing this through a licensing agreement with a domestic fertilizer manufacturer, right?
Yes.
So
this licensing agreement is for providing of the technology.
Okay.
So investment will be made by the Meghmani Crop Nutrition Limited. A plant will be of Meghmani Crop Nutrition, and we will be paying the royalty, and we will be selling under our own brand.
So can you give us a sense of how much is the commission/royalty that you will be paying to the company to use this technology? How many years can you use this technology for? And do you have to also share some revenues, etc., with them?
No, there is no revenue sharing. It is purely technology where per unit we will be paying to them as a royalty component. And this arrangement is for the period of 20 years.
Okay, 20 years. So royalty, the amount? I'm sorry, I missed that.
Yeah, royalty will be per unit basis.
Per unit. How much is that?
So this is part and parcel we have included in our revenue model. So where we are saying it should be contributing roughly, today if you see, the price of per bottle MRP is 240 rupees. So, and we have 5 crore bottles manufacturing capacity. So we are estimating around 1,000 crore will be the top line. And that we have considered in our model. So what is the royalty payable?
So what is the royalty payment? You said 240 rupees is what you will sell it at. 1,000 crore is the revenue potential of this.
Yes.
How much will you have to pay to the domestic company for usage of this technology?
No, that is something we have already entered into an NDA. So
Okay.
that exact amount we will not be able to.
Okay. Since it's an NDA, we understand that.
Yes.
But that's about this new foray that you've gotten into. You've made a couple of announcements actually. On 14 November, you spoke about an agreement with a global agrochemical company for supply of agrochemical products for 5 years. What is the revenue potential here, and will you be making any more investments? Will it open up export opportunities for you?
We are talking about agrochemical multipurpose plant.
No, I'm talking about this recent global agrochemical company. You had entered into an agreement with them for 5 years. This is a release dated 14th of November. An agreement worth $100 million. I wanted more details on that. Is it a different product that the agreement is for? And from when will this revenue start flowing in your books?
The audio was not clear, so I'm not able to hear.
Let me try this then. You on 14th of November, you entered into an agreement with a global agrochemical company. This is for supply of products for 5 years worth around $100 million. Just wanted to understand when this starts, what products are these, and this revenue of 100 million over 5 years, is it going to be spread evenly or front-ended or back-ended?
Okay, that is the long-term supply contract with one of the multinationals we have entered into, and that the supply will start from the January onwards.
Oh.
And it will be spread across actually and equally in the 5 years.
Okay, all right. And you also spoke about the multi-purpose plant that has started operations in November itself. What is the initial capacity utilization that you're seeing here? Any further capex that you'll be putting in?
Yeah, so that plant we have already commissioned in this quarter, and now capacity is being ramped up. We are expecting anywhere 50 to 70 crore of top line in this year by March, and significant contribution will come from the next year onwards, where we are expecting around 50 to 60% capacity utilization, and it should add anywhere between 300 to 350 crore from that plant.
So with all these things that you're doing and the titanium dioxide plant, wanted to know whether that's been commissioned or not. Nanotechnology will give you 1,000 crores of revenue. This business that you've entered with the global agrochemical company will give you almost 8,000 crores worth revenue, or rather 800 crores worth revenue over next 5 years. Then you have your multi-product plant and then the titanium dioxide plant. I'm looking at Meghmani, say 5 years from now. What do you think the revenue profile of the company could be?
Actually, because once we have already given guidance up to 2025, so where the new project was not considered, which we have in nano urea, while we considered for our titanium dioxide and the revenue coming from the multi-purpose plant. So where we expect by 25, it should be 4,500 crore, which was the earlier announcement, because this plant will also get commissioned, this nano urea, by March 24. So this will add in the earlier guidance, which was for 25. So this new contribution will be coming from this nano urea will be added to that. So first year we can expect anywhere between 50 to 60% capacity. So that will be add on to the earlier guidance.
So that 4,500 crore becomes 5,000 crores.
Yes.
Okay, take that point, Mr. Chahal. Thank you so much for joining us. That's the word coming in from Meghmani Organics. So new foray and strong guidance and a guidance upgrade as well. Let's slip into a short break. We'll get you more on markets and stock-specific action. Stay tuned.